This will be a speed test between the iPhone XS Max versus the Razer Phone. iPhone has the A12 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, Razer Phone has the Snapdragon 835 from last year, and a whopping 8 gigs of RAM, a super smooth 120Hz display, and excellent front-firing speakers. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Razer Phone. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both, so let's get started with the Messages app. Ooh, very close on that one. Camera. Maybe the iPhone. Clock on both phones. About the same. Start the stopwatch. Leave that in the background. Safari and Chrome. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar. And give this to the Razer. Scroll through this. Super smooth on the Razer. Desktop version. And a little bit faster on the right. Pinch to zoom. So smooth on the Razer with its 120Hz display. And on the iPhone, smooth as well. Leave that in the background. Calculator on both. About the same. Play Store and App Store. Search for Lyft. Leave it on this page. Amazon. Give this to the Razer again. Click on this deal of the day. Leave it on that page. eBay. A little bit faster on the right. Click on this Apple MacBook. Leave it on this page. NFL app. Ooh, very close. Give this to the iPhone though. Baseball. Give this to the iPhone. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Razer Phone. Will the iPhone catch up? And give this to the Razer. Tap to begin. iPhone a little bit faster actually running the game. And leave that in the background. Subway Surf. iPhone a little bit ahead. Tap to play. And leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Ooh, very close. We'll see who's out in front. And iPhone a little bit ahead. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. We'll see who's faster on this one. Ooh, give this to the Razer. Not sure what this is on the iPhone. Get rid of this. Tap the play button and leave that in the background. PUBG, go. iPhone out in front, and it looks like the iPhone's ahead. Cross this off. And give this one to the iPhone so you can see. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, looks like the Razer Phone's ahead, so you can see. And I think the Razer will take this one. And give this to the Razer Phone so you can see. The gram on both. Razer Phone on this one. Snapchat. Razer Phone again. Take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Instagram. There you have it. Grand Theft Auto. Ready to go on both. PUBG. Ready to play on both so you can see. This one. Good to go on both, butter smooth so far. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both phones. You can see Subway Surf, paused and ready to resume also Mario Run, ready to play Baseball. Ooh, a little bit of a stutter here on the right. NFL app. I think we have a reload here on the Razer. eBay. Okay, a little bit of a slowdown here on the right. Amazon. And looks like this is a refresh on the Razer. The App Store and Play Store, good to go on both. Calculator, same place. Browsers, a little bit faster on the iPhone. Clock on both, still running the stopwatch. Camera, yeah, I think the Razer reloaded that one. And the Messages app, boom. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you thought about this test. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the brand new iPhone XS Max or the iPhone XS? This phone having a notch, no headphone jack, no headphone adapter, and no fast charger in the box. But I will say, the iPhone XS Max has a very, very good camera. Or are you a fan of the Razer phone? This phone having a super smooth 120Hz display and excellent front-firing stereo speakers. Are you looking forward? Razer Phone 2.0? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.